Hey, what's up guys, it is SMG for Live01, just coming with this video of some demonstration of Windows 8. I actually got Windows 8 today for about £25, which is actually a pretty cool price. It was an upgrade obviously, so I don't have Windows 7 anymore. Basically now we're using Windows 8. I'm just trying to test out a few things. Like I'm trying to get used to it. Basically it's like so different compared to any other Windows operating system I've used, and that's the like whole big new change that they've made. It's kind of like a phone, like the new Windows phones. I was about to say HTC HD7, but that's the one I got, and the thing is, it uses a lot of tiles. If you can see here, this is the new Internet Explorer, and it's got tiles all over the place. And obviously this is the desktop. My friend was saying that there isn't going to be a desktop. Well, I proved you wrong, dude. There is a freaking desktop. I have two desktops right now. My screen, my LG monitor that I have the screen is actually a desktop as well, and it has like a taskbar underneath there, so you can use that as well as use my normal screen to do both things. And this is actually the marketplace where you can buy those apps and stuff like that, which is actually, again, pretty awesome thing to have. I just got a text there, sorry about that. And obviously you do have the same thing as what Windows 7 has. And then you have this thing, Xbox Games, which has like Xbox games where you can buy games and like play them on your Xbox, like download them onto your Xbox kind of thing. Again, another pretty awesome feature. And you have your like Xbox Live kind of account linked to it, if it's a Hotmail account and stuff like that. So it's actually pretty cool. Like the integration, I guess, is really awesome. And obviously here now you have my computer, and it has all these different like looking settings. It looks like Microsoft Word kind of thing, and obviously that is again pretty cool. New feature, new addition. Literally I'm using a lot right now because I'm trying to get the best out of this operating system. Obviously I'm a Windows 7 guy. I loved Windows 7, and I used Mac as well when I was at college and stuff. So you see my Windows Media Player here, and now I'm actually going to show you some settings there, so you can actually change without having to have to go to like screen resolution and stuff like that. You can literally change your desktop secondary screen. You can turn it into your primary screen or something like that. And now I'm just showing you like control panel and stuff like that. Really hard to like figure out how you find all this stuff. And obviously you have PC settings now. You have loads of different settings on this thing. It's mental. And the multitasking thing on it, like you have, it's kind of like having two operating systems at once. It's like having Windows 7 and this new Windows 8 operating system linked to the actual to one operating system, which is kind of crazy because on the left side, when you go in to the left top corner, you have like the multitasking tab, but also you have your taskbar as well at the bottom for some when you're using desktop, like what I'm doing right now, editing using the desktop. It's kind of different, but I actually kind of like it. And some people obviously are going to be hating, saying, oh, it's not as good as what it was before. And right now you do see me posting a tweet, so make sure you guys are following me on Twitter. My Twitter account is SMG for Live01, so hit me up on there. Tell me what you think of Windows 8 if you guys have it. I did get it for a good price, that's why I bought it, otherwise I wouldn't have bought it. $24.99 upgrade from Windows, or from Microsoft should I say. And obviously you do have separate apps, so you do have your Skype and stuff like that. And basically you can have Skype for the Windows 7 thing. I mean Windows 7, which is what I use. You can have like, there's my Windows app for that's just a normal application for Skype, and then you have your own one, but this is actually the Messenger thing. So you can have your Messenger, so you have like your Messenger will always be logged in. It's kind of like your phone, I guess. Like my phone Messenger thing has the same icon, and when I get a new message, it will come up with 1 and a smiley face, or with the O face if there's too many messages going into that Messenger. And here obviously we're going into music again, because obviously the music is kind of weird. Like I don't use like this is called Xbox Music. I don't know why the hell it's called Xbox Music when really this is PC and Windows. It shouldn't be Xbox Music, and you see all my music there. Literally, I just use Windows Media Player because it's so much more easier to use, or I use iTunes. When I was actually installing the OS, it said that iTunes was incompatible with the new Windows, and that was kind of weird. But I have iTunes still on my application screen, so that's kind of like weird. Some applications I have don't really work properly with Windows 8. So one that I can say is TweetDeck doesn't work yet with Windows 8, and that's what I love using for my tweets and stuff. I love reading tweets off there as well, because all in one, like big chunk file sort of thing, or big screen thing, and I used to use that a lot, and now I can't because it's not working properly. It hasn't been like set up for Windows 8 yet. I think they should make an app. I think Twitter should make an app especially for like Windows 8, and like so when you send out a tweet, it'll say sent via Windows 8 Twitter application or something like that. I think Twitter needs to have that, because they have that for iOS and stuff like that, which I don't really understand why. For like the Macs and stuff, they have a dedicated app for Twitter, and I think they have a dedicated app for Facebook. I'm not too sure about a dedicated app for Facebook on this, but you do have your Messenger app, which is also your email, and that's basically like MSN Messenger, but in itself, and so you can use that as like Facebook chat. So that's what I was using as Facebook chat, but I'm not too sure. I'm still messing around with it. As I said before, it just came out today, and obviously I haven't had it for that long, and I just want to get to use it and see how good it is, because it seemed to be like something that is kind of businessy, but also it's kind of like, okay, you can use this because it's not that simple, not that hard, but it's really it's kind of interactive. I guess it's more for a touchscreen kind of phone, or touchscreen screen. And now you will see me. I'm loading up the camera app. Obviously, I don't really use the camera that much on my computer, and this is an application dedicated to that. And I was basically just messing around with the settings because the settings were messed up, so I had to like do manual settings and stuff like that. So it's kind of like weird. And you see me there. Obviously, it's a bit laggy there because the actual captured differently, because different frames. I think that was in 30 frames. So you see me there. So it is kind of, I don't know. I can't really explain like what I kind of feel about it. It's really different, but in a way it's not taking away the whole fact of Windows. It's kind of bringing in something new to Windows, and I guess like people will like it, people will hate it. So it's like, if you like it, then just like it, I guess. Go on Facebook and like Windows. Cut that out because I don't want you guys seeing my emails, dude. It's kind of weird having that. Definitely will cut that out. Yeah, it's kind of like you have everything there. It's there for you to take. You have organization, you have loads of different things, and obviously you still have desktop, so you can have all your games and stuff loaded onto your desktop. Yeah, again, my friend said that there wouldn't be a desktop, and there freaking is, so check it out. And obviously you do see a lot of the green, because obviously that's the color that I chose for it. And obviously you can like have your apps like spaced out to a side, like you can have your Hotmail to the left side, little left corner, or little left side of your screen, and you can have like Twitter on the little right side of your screen, or you can use like me, 2 screens, and then you can put like other apps on each screen. I'm sorry if the voice is going up and down, man. I have no idea what I'm doing. The volume's really low right now, but obviously I guess it's been pretty fun. I'm gonna be doing a live stream today, hopefully. I don't know when, but yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. It's coming to an end. You see it there with 2 things up. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.